Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. This is Sukanya and this is my YouTube channel where I share with you guys the background processes behind my illustration, my animations and my street art. So this week I'm going to share with you one of my favorite animation that I have done recently, and I have done it frame by frame using Procreate software. So I'm going to share with you the process.
हम देखेंगे लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे हम देखें
So this is how the animation looks, and let's not waste any more time. Let's jump on to making the video. So I have planned a basic animation along with this illustration. So first I am going to draw out my illustration. As you see, I am showing you this video from the basic first sketch of the illustration, the initiation of the idea, and how I break the illustration into parts and then make it into the whole complete thing. So the matchbox and the hand here is the thing that is going to remain static, and the hand is holding a match, and which is getting lit in a while, and from its flames a figure of a girl appears, and this is the basic idea of the animation. We will see the steps involved in it. So the first thing that you need to do is to chalk out the rough idea of where the placements of the things are going to be, then how we are going to animate it frame by frame. So as you can see, I have drawn out this basic structure here using 3-point perspective, and this is how my final layout looks, and now I am going to quickly paint on it. So I am using a basic color palette that I have already prepared, and I am using a mixture of cool and warm colors together to for this illustration. And now that I have colored this, I feel that I should start animating frame by frame. So first I'll draw out the frames and then put colors on them. So the first, the hand that I have made is in a separate layer, and my animation is happening in another separate layer. And I'll be writing the text on the foreground. So the hand with the matchstick is my background for this animation. As I quickly animate, I would like to draw a little light upon what is happening in my country, and my artwork is a art of resistance, and it is for the farmers protest that is going on in India from September 2020. And India being the world's fifth largest economy, we are really facing with a lot of challenges, and a lot of challenges about this farmers protest, where our government is still not supporting them, and our country has cut down water, electricity, internet, and the basic human rights have been questioned. A reinforcement of concrete big iron nails with barbed wires has been enforced on the farmers' land, and there is nothing that our government is doing about it, and months have been passing by. I'm sad to say that our government is fighting this case in a very with a very closed mindset, and they are not at all open to any kind of criticisms or interpretation. Neither they are doing anything about it. I am not saying that someone from America or US or someone outside India has said something, so we should support this cause of our farmers. But that is not the scenario. Even after getting this global recognition and support, we see our farmers still sitting in the cold. And this is not the first time that we are seeing artists all over the world are speaking for the oppressed and the marginalized. It has always been the case in the history of humankind. But we see rare occasions of a economy or a country retaliating against a single person's statement. With due respect to the people who have supported the farmers movement, and why aren't we talking about it, I see what they as an outsider can see and understand the pain of protesting in the cold. The people of our country or our government doesn't understand that, and that is why we are facing a day like this. I don't want to get inside a lot of politics and details, but whatever is happening, is not right, and we should all stand together to support the farmers protest and stand for them, because they are the people who runs this country. They are the people who give us food to eat at the end of the day. Taking all these things into consideration, I came up with this little animation, and I hope this supports the cause in some way. And yeah, so this is the basic idea behind it. And I have used the song by Iqbal Bano. And this is a very famous song which is quite old, and it speaks about freedom and how we will get there one day, no matter how tough the way lies ahead. So yeah, I feel the song goes perfectly with my animation.
हम देखेंगे हम देखेंगे हम देखेंगे लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे हम देखेंगे हम देखेंगे लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है हम देखेंगे वो दिन के जिसका वादा है हम देखेंगे जो लौहे अज़ल में लिखा है हम देखेंगे हम देखेंगे लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे हम देखेंगे जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गरा जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गरा रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गरा रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे हम महकूमों के पांव तले ये धरती धड़ धड़ धड़केगी और अहले हकम के सर ऊपर जब बिजली कड़कड़ कड़केगी लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे हम देखेंगे जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गरा जब जुल्मों सितम के कोहे गरा रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे रूई की तरह उड़ जाएंगे हम महकूमों के पांव तले ये धरती धड़ धड़ धड़केगी और अहले हकम के सर ऊपर जब भी बिजली कड़कड़ कड़केगी हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे।
I hope you guys like this animation and this video. Do let me know in the comment section below what you feel about the movement and what you feel about this animation. Please like, share and subscribe my videos, and hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. See you guys next week. So this is how my final animation looks.
लाजिम है कि हम भी देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे।